Hi friend, my name is Jishan Siddiqui. Today I'll learn using ASP.NET with MVC perform database operation using SQL Server. Shall we start? Just you need create one project like I have created MVC code database. So you need just one database. So right click on app underscore data folder, add or SQL Server database. I have passed just database name like db underscore emp. Okay. You can see your database created. You need one table, so just create a table like employee, department, whatever you want. So your query portion, here just pass tbl emp table employee, or here emp id, here pass identity, auto increment 1,1 and employee name emp name varchar 25 emp age integer. Okay, you can see your design table allow null not null. Okay, just update that. This preview database update, you need to update database. Mean was your table is added in database. Close this window, close the design portion. Here just reload. You can see your table employee is created and auto increment employee id, employee name, employee age. After you want create one controller like control underscore emp like employee. Select here empty control. Okay, add. You need SQL class. You can define here directly SQL connection equal to new SQL connection. Okay, here just raise the error, so just press control dot using system.data SQL client need, or here pass your database connectivity. So right click on here, go to property, and here connection string, so just copy and here paste. Okay, after erase again error because literal character added. Okay, so just manually remove your static connection string. If you want to convert in dynamic, you can add directly data directory tag. Okay, so just here remove that connection string like data directory data directory. So this is converting in dynamic. You need SQL command cmd to firing the query. You need SQL data reader to read the data. Okay, your home page, suppose I have add the data, so I have changed the name like add. Okay, so adding a view, right click on and add view. Just no need same as action name add. See, your view is ready. Here need one form tag, so just add Here just add one form tag and method equal to post. Okay, our action is like blank, so automatically form submitted, then same access is called. So you need just http post. Okay, because your form tag using a post method sending the data. Here just same as action में. Here just pass like input type text name, same as a table name like emp name, sorry. Okay, yes, bear tag same as age, emp age. Okay, here just write name or age. You can use one submit button, type equal to submit, value equal to insert. Okay, once I click insert button, then automatically this method is called and two data will become like emp name or emp age. Okay, so here emp name as a string, to just pass string emp name or integer emp age. Okay, first you need just check that emp name or age come or not. Shall we run this program? Here my control is called but method is missing, so manually pass underscore add method. Okay, your method is called, your view is written. You can see this view is by default call, and I have input the data like position, age like 23 or insert. Automatic debug is come. You can see your value Jishan Siddiqui or age is 23. What need? Just pass the data in database. Okay, show check. Just here open that connection string. Just open connection string like connection open, similar to connection close. Here cmd equal to new SQL command or two parameter. First is your query, second your connection. Okay, you just pass insert into tvl emp name or your emp age. Okay, here values single quote, again single quote, emp age, emp name. Okay, after cmd dot execute none query. Okay, shall we check program is run or not? can see successfully run. Check in database. You can see record is added. What next? You just show the data. So create one same action like display the data. So display, okay, or here you just copy name. You can pass like redirect to action. By default action available. After insert a record, automatically call display method. Here just pass con dot open, like connection string open, connection string close. Here same as SQL command con. Here just select star from email EMP. Okay. After you can use dr variable data reader cmd dot execute reader, because execute reader read the data in data and throw in the data. Okay, so you can use while here dot read method. Okay, by using one string variable concat the data like data plus equal to emp id equal to plus there dot get integer 0 same as data plus equal to emp name plus equal to dir dot get string. Okay. Here just pass one same as data plus equal to emp age plus equal to dir dot get teacher 32 pass here 2. Okay, or here not return back, just pass contain method, or here pass like data. Okay, let us check. Here like I input Bharat Darji age 22. You can see employee ID 1, employee name Jishan CPP, or your Bharat Darji last rep. Thank you for watching this video. कहाँ? हाँ, हो गया.